Hey everyone! If you're planning a trip from Canada this year, using the wrong credit card could be costing you hundreds in fees and lost points. Today, I'm breaking down the best travel credit cards in Canada so you can decide which one deserves a spot in your wallet. Let's get into the rankings. 1. Amex Cobalt. First up is the American Express Cobalt card. This is widely considered the best overall card in Canada for a reason. It earns a massive 5 times point on groceries and dining, which you can transfer one-to-one to Aeroplan. It remains the fastest way to rack up flights just by buying your weekly groceries. It does have a 2.5% foreign exchange fee, so it's best for earning points within Canada before you fly. 2. The International Workhorse. Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite. If you hate hidden fees when shopping abroad, you want the Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite. This is one of the few major cards with no foreign transaction fees. You save 2.5% on every purchase you made in a different currency. It comes with 6 free airport lounge passes per year through the Visa Airport Companion program. It's the perfect all-in-one card for someone who wants lounge access and no fees without a massive $600 annual price tag. 3. The Luxury Flyer. CIBC Aventura Visa Infinite Privilege. For those who want the VIP treatment, look at the CIBC Aventura Visa Infinite Privilege. This is a premium card that offers a huge welcome bonus, often up to 80,000 points. You get a $200 annual travel credit and rebates on Nexus application fee, making border crossing a breeze. It also features the best in-class travel insurance, including higher limits for trip cancellation and mobile device protection. 4. How to choose. To pick the winner, you must ask yourself, do you spend a lot on food? Go Cobalt. Secondly, do you travel outside Canada frequently and want lounge access? Then you can go Scotiabank Passport. Do you have a high income and want maximum luxury perks? Then you can go CIBC Privilege. Just remember to check the latest welcome offers before you apply, as they change monthly. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.